We're going to be doing a crunch, but not just a crunch, because a lot of people do weird kind of crunches where you'll see them, especially like in sports, you'll see like kids doing this, right? And that like does not work out the abs very much at all. So what we're going to do is a full range of motion crunch. And we're going to use one of these ab mats. If you don't have one of these, you can use a pillow or just anything that's soft under your back. And of course, if you don't have them in general, that's totally fine. But I highly recommend doing something like this. And the reason is because where you would normally stop on a crunch, your body is parallel to the ground. But here you can go really far back and then come up just like that. Now notice I'm not doing a full sit up where I'm coming up like that, because at that top portion, I'm working a lot of the hip flexors. So from here, I'm just coming halfway up to where my back is off the ab mat and then going back down. I breathe out as I go up and as I go down. And then, of course, if you want to make it harder, you can have some weight right here. I recommend holding it up towards the sky just like that. You could have it right here as well, or you could have it behind your head, which is the hardest version. So this is how to do a proper crunch.